Hey guys, welcome back to another new videos and LawGuru welcomes you. So today in this video we will be discussing about examination of witnesses by police. First of all, I will give you an introduction about it. Okay, before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe so that you all get CRPC related videos regularly. So let's start this video. So the examination of witnesses by police, the provision of this is dealt in section 161 of the Criminal Procedure Code. This provisions or this section allows the police or gives them authority to interrogate the witnesses whenever they need to record the statement of the witnesses. The major goal of this statement is to present the evidence before the court of law throughout the trial. Here a word is there, witness. So we will first know who is a witness. Okay. A witness is a person who sees an event happening. That event may be an accident or a crime, murder, rape or theft, anything. Especially a crime or an accident, or who testifies under oath in a legal trial. The term witness itself reveals the meaning. That is, any individual who observed the crime, who has seen the crime, and who has first-hand knowledge of any occurrence in a criminal case, and that information by the witnesses help or assist the lawyer in testifying the evidence as well as the court in delivering the judgment. Okay, now we will come to subsection 1. Here section 161 of the Criminal Procedure Code deals with the provisions of examination of witnesses by police. Subsection 1 of the section 161 allows for oral examination of anybody who is supposed to be familiar with the facts and circumstances of the case. A police officer examines the person in his segment. Section 161 subsection 1 uses the phrase any person. Here you can see any person. That means a person who may be accused of the offense as well as suspected. Here is a case law. In the case of Pakala Narayana Swamy versus Emperor 1939, it was determined that the term persons encompassed any persons who may be accused subsequently. Okay, now we will discuss subsection 2. Here subsection 2 of section 161 binds a person who is interrogated by police during an inquiry to answer all the questions truly or honestly, but it also shields the person from answering that would subsequently lead to person's incrimination. This section also stops that person from answering questions that would subsequently lead those answers to be used against him. Okay. It was held in the case of Nandini Satpathy versus P.L. Dunny 1978 that we cannot force or compel any person who is accused of an infraction to submit or make a statement that is against himself. The individual is free to keep silent. However, it is critical to safeguard such a person since a person is presumed innocent unless proven guilty. Okay, now subsection 3 says that the police officer may reduce into writing any statement made to him in the course of an examination by the witnesses under this section, and if he does so, if he writes or reduce those statements into writing, then he shall make a separate and true record of the statement of each and every person whose statements he record. Okay, section 161 subsection 3 requires that witnesses' testimony under 161 can be recorded in the first person and not in an indirect form of speech. An oath or affirmation is not needed during a witness examination under this section. It also forbids the preparation of a synopsis of a statement recorded and provides that the statements made under this subsection may be captured using audio-video technological method. Apart from this, the statement given by a woman must be documented by a woman police officer or any female officer in the case of a woman against whom the offences under section 354, that is sexual harassment or rape, is alleged to have been committed or attempted those statements shall be recorded by a woman police officer or a woman officer. Okay, this is the proviso of this statement of this subsection. I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt in this video, please do comment. And if you like this video, press the like button, share it, subscribe for more such videos. For then, stay safe. Thank you.